Unlocking your brain's potential, how to learn faster and remember more. Learning faster and retaining more information is a valuable skill that can be cultivated through specific techniques and habits. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you learn faster and remember more effectively. Number 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to learn and why it is important to you. Having clear, specific goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Number 2. Understand your learning style. Identify whether you are a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner. Adapt your learning strategies to match your preferred style. For example, visual learners might benefit from using diagrams and charts, while auditory learners may prefer listening to lectures or podcasts. Number 3. Break information into digestible chunks. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, break the material into smaller, manageable chunks. This makes it easier to process and retain information. Number 4. Use active learning techniques. Engage with the material actively rather than passively. This could include summarizing key points in your own words, teaching the material to someone else, or solving problems related to the topic. Number 5. Utilize spaced repetition. Reviewing information at spaced interval helps reinforce learning and improve retention. Use flashcards or spaced repetition software to review material regularly over time. Number 6. Practice retrieval. Test yourself on the material you are learning instead of simply rereading it. Practice recalling information from memory, as this strengthens neural pathways and enhances retention. Number 7. Take regular breaks. Avoid studying for long periods without breaks, as this can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Take short breaks every 25 to 30 minutes to recharge and maintain focus. Number 8. Stay organized. Keep your study materials organized and create a study schedule to manage your time effectively. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadline. Number 9. Use mnemonics. Mnemonic devices, such as acronyms or visualization techniques, can help you remember complex information more easily. Create mnemonic devices that are meaningful and memorable to you. Number 10. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for learning and memory consolidation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to ensure optimal cognitive function. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 11. Stay healthy. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating nutritious foods, exercising regularly, and managing stress. Physical health directly impacts cognitive performance. Number 12. Review and reflect. Periodically review what you have learned and reflect on your progress. Identify areas where you need improvement and adjust your study strategies accordingly. Number 13. Seek feedback. Solicit feedback from teachers, peers, or mentors to gain insights into your learning progress. Use feedback to identify strengths and weaknesses and make necessary adjustments. Number 14. Stay curious and motivated. Cultivate a curious mindset and stay motivated by finding intrinsic interest in the subjects you are learning. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and exploration. By following these steps and incorporating effective learning strategies into your routine, you can accelerate your learning process and enhance your ability to remember and apply new information. Remember that learning is a lifelong journey, so be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. As you reach the end of this video, remember that the journey of learning is a magical adventure waiting to unfold. As Arthur C. Clarke once said, the only way to discover the limits of the possible is to go beyond them into the impossible. So let us embrace the magic of learning, knowing that every bit of knowledge gained enriches our lives and expands our horizons. As you continue on your learning journey, may you always believe in the power of your curiosity and the resilience of your spirit. Stay inspired, stay curious, and never stop reaching for the stars. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored, and you have the magic within you to make extraordinary things happen. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep shining bright and never forget, the magic of learning knows no bounds.